Boys and girls, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. So this is my dad's E36. A lot of you are probably thinking, they've never done a 3 litre E36. So as you can see, my dad has put a 3 litre into his E36, but that's only the start of what's been done to this car. I think it's time to take it for a drive and see what it's all about. I've got high hopes. I've got a feeling this thing could be pretty rapid. If you haven't already met my dad, meet Dad. Dad, what does it start life as?
316.
A beast. So for all the BMW nerds watching, Dad, what engine's put in it?
The M54 B30.
So this is the first time I've ever been in this car, and the first time Dad's probably drove it on the road, which is mad exciting. I mean, it's his first time on the road, so it'd be rude not to do a burnout on it. I think it's safe to see where I get it from.
Did I rip my front splitter off? I just turned that around up there and I caught it big time.
Oh, let me have a look.
Dare have a look.
Let me have a look.
Oh, I'm scared.
There's quite a big chunk out of it. Not a big chunk.
Are you joking me?
Joking.
Oh look, there's a big black skinny guy. Well, you're not in at the back tyres didn't rub, just that little extra.
This car has had the full works. So it has E46 M3 seats, some sort of cinema screen. I think it's pretty obvious why Dad has a screen that big and it ain't to watch movies. You can probably imagine the movies I'm on about. He's got a fire extinguisher in case it gets a little bit too lit. Momo steering wheel, which has a working horn. And I can't forget the Chase Your Dreams flight tag. I'll put the link for them in the description. He also made these custom dials. How sick do they look? And this OBD reader that gives live data on the car as it's driving. Strut bar in the back and the front. 19-inch wheels, which really shouldn't work on an E36, but let me know in the comments what you think. I think they look alright. He's got this big Jap cannon, which sounds savage. One of my favourite parts of this car, it's got LED rear lights, a number plate which, I'll let you use your imagination what it says. Dad bought it for the 330 part, not realising what the start kind of says. Dad also made custom front headlights, which are seriously cool. Dad decided to do something different, and rather than putting an M Sport bumper on it, he kept the SE bumper. Got a massive chin splitter for it, and he also made his own custom grille. It's got M3 mirrors, it's got bigger drilled and grooved brakes all round, an air filter the same size as my head, and I ain't got a small head. The car's also had pretty much a full respray, which was done by my little brother, shout out Matt, and it wouldn't be your dad's car if he didn't have stickers like this, right? Right, back to the road. Yep, Dad built a Fiesta ST. Dad has had some pretty serious cars. So Dad, just tell the people your top 3 favourite cars you've ever owned.
Oh, top 3 cars?
Yeah.
Evo 5 is probably my favourite. Then my Evo 8. And then my Skyline. Oh! Is that Skyline or Escort Cosworth?
Not even the Capri.
Oh, I didn't realise that as well.
He's had some serious cars.
It's hard to put it down to 3.
If you could do it all over again, would you put a 3 litre in it or a different engine?
See, knowing what I know now, I probably would have went like a V8 route maybe.
Yeah.
Or turbocharged. Yeah.
Would you turbo it now?
That's possible for the future.
I think Dad's so used to driving turbo cars that he didn't take it all the way to redline, which obviously in a car without a turbo is where all the power is. The higher you get it in second, you'll feel. So that's me trying to edge him on to hit a little bit of limiter. Getting there. I think it's time to show Dad how it's done. Can I drive it?
Just a little bit. Be careful.
I will. We've got the cameraman on job. I don't know why you look so stressed. Your car's in good hands, I think. I think it's time to drop Dad off to get some clips from the outside. It's actually rapid, to be fair.
Alright, isn't it? Yeah.
You ready? This thing is actually rapid. Thanks for letting me drive it, Dad. Make sure you show my dad some love in the comments. He'll appreciate it massively. How smooth this thing drives. Like, you would almost think this car was meant to be like this out of the factory, I'll be honest, but that's how Dad's done it. He's done it as if it would be like a factory option to have a 3 litre and a 36. Like, honestly, fair play, Dad. This thing is seriously sick. This thing's savage. It's actually, Dad, this is sick.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sound alright?
So before we attract the wrong sort of attention, I think it's time we put this back in the unit. He's still convinced that 19s are a good idea. Dad, I think it's safe to say you built a bit of a beast. Thanks for letting me drive it. But what we're going to do, we're going to end the video there. Dad, thank you very much for letting me drive. And thank you for letting me film the car.
It's awesome.
It is well done, a serious piece of kit, like serious. No, this is a bit of a statement. Like, Dad's done all this. You should see our toolkit. Our toolkit's like rubbish. He managed to do a full engine swap with it, so fair play. Like, he built a proper beast. But make sure you show some love for Dad in the comments, drop a like on the video and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I think it's safe to say this car is a serious build. Fair play, Dad, you have honestly built a beast. I think it would be rude not to end the video with a little burnout, right?
Don't encourage me, don't be a bad knife fan.
Dad really wasn't up for the idea.
No, there's people here, there weren't no one about.
The people left and my persistence paid off. Honestly, my dad is such a legend. Make sure you show him some love in the comments and smash a like on this video. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. You're all legends. Peace.